Question, ma'am. I just would like to cite one of the programs of the Department of Agriculture wherein we deploy interns, the ABE youth in the local government unit to help us aid in facilitating the implementation of our farm to market roads, our mechanization programs, as well as the post-harvest facilities. So these government interns, the ABE youth graduates, and the newly licensed ABEs are deployed in the local government. So as far as I am concerned as the project leader of the government internship program, that is one of our projects with the local government unit. And I would like to request my colleagues if they have another programs in the city of Iloilo, because as far as I am concerned, that's the special project that I'm handling personally. Thank you.